The water level at the old railway bridge was recorded at 205.6 meters on Wednesday morning, breaching the danger mark once again. The water level is likely to rise further to around 205.72 meters by 6 p.m. as per the Central Water Commission forecast. The surge in the water level comes in less than 12 hours after the river dropped below the threshold amid rains in the national capital and the upper reaches of the river, fueling the floodwater spate. The flow rate at the Hathnikund barrage saw a marginal rise on Tuesday afternoon, oscillating between 50,000 and 60,000 cusecs. It dropped to around 39,000 cusecs by 7 am on Wednesday. The Indian Meteorological Department predicted heavy to very heavy rains at isolated places in Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh until July 22nd and moderate showers in Delhi on Wednesday. The increase in the water level could slow down the rehabilitation of affected families in the inundated low-lying areas of the capital, and they may have to stay longer in relief camps. It could also impact the water supply, which became normal only on Tuesday after being affected for several days due to the inundation of a pump house at Wazirabad.